1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 in the shakes.
What can you do with leftover poached salmon? Add an egg, some breadcrumbs, and make fritters. Let's cook. So I had a bit more than a quarter pound of cooked poached salmon left over from another meal. What to do? That will make wonderful fritters. Other large pieces of fish such as haddock or halibut will work well too. Use a fork to break up the salmon into small pieces. This was a boneless fillet, but keep an eye out for bones with other cuts. They're hard to see later on hiding in a fritter. A half an onion will add taste and keep your fritters moist. Chop that up finely. A couple of green onions would be a nice alternative. Add the chopped onion to the salmon. Some chopped bell pepper will add texture and flavor. I like red and yellow better than green. Add that to the bowl and mix that up well. I'm fascinated by the taste that Old Bay seasoning adds to fish. Such a wonderful flavor. Add about half a teaspoon. If you don't have Old Bay, garlic powder, onion powder, and a bit of chili powder will pretty well get you there. A quarter cup of breadcrumbs, more mixing, crack an egg into the bowl and mix that up. The egg keeps it all together. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And the frying begins. Some oil into the pan. Let that get hot over medium heat. This will make 4 fritters, a serving for 1 as a main course. Scoop out a spoonful into the pan. Pat them down a bit to flatten so they fry evenly. I didn't spend a lot of time trying to make pretty shapes. Nice and rustic this way. about 2 to 3 minutes aside, but watch that they don't get overdone. They are a bit fragile. Serve with lemon slices. Sour cream, and lettuce. And enjoy. That was nice and crunchy, and so little work, and an amazing taste. Ingredients: 4 ounces cooked salmon, half an onion, quarter of a bell pepper, 1 egg, a quarter cup of breadcrumbs, half teaspoon Old Bay seasoning, oil, garnish with lemon slices, garnish with lettuce, serve with sour cream.